Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and this Utopia kitchen compost bin is my new best friend in the kitchen. I like to sit it on the counter next to me while I'm working, chopping up vegetables, chopping up fruits, and then when I'm done, instead of throwing them in the trash can, I can throw them in this bin. I like that this bin is stainless steel for easy cleanup, and it does have ventilation holes, but it also has a filter in there to help keep the smells in the bin. Having that filter also helps to keep out the bugs. This is so great because things that I would normally throw in the trash, such as fruits, vegetables, eggshells, coffee filters, and coffee grounds, I can now put in this mini compost bin, and once it's full, I can bring it out to my larger compost bin outside or put it in our worm farm, which is really great when it's been raining or when I'm just too busy to make a trip outside. I do like that it's stainless steel. It makes it nice and easy to clean up, and I feel like you can actually get it clean and it doesn't hold on to the different smells like a plastic bin might. I love my new kitchen buddy, and if I don't want to keep it on the counter, I can put it under the sink and out of sight. And that's my point of view.